All right, we're doing it again. This is another Go car wash that's literally like 6 minutes around the corner from the place that I also filmed, which was another Go car wash location. This one seems to be a little bit more modern than the last, and it also has history, but like before, we're going to get to it closer to the end of the video. So let's see what this tunnel can do. The car is not very dirty at all. I'm kind of marathoning car wash videos to stack up content, but it'll surely be entertaining for at least some of y'all. I still have my guarantee. I'm good, thanks. Still have my guarantee from the other wash, so this wash is free. I didn't even think about that. Here's a look at the vacuum area. Got quite a bit of rows. Seems mostly clean.